guys, and welcome back. Today we're gonna make some slime. So let's get started. And before we started, I've been thinking that I should mix these two together. So let's mix them together. I mixed it, guys, but it's kind of like dry, so it doesn't really look that cool. So the first thing you're gonna need to make slime is Elmer's glue. You're gonna need contact lens in solution, a tablespoon, baking soda, food color, and your bucket, and a wooden spoon. The first thing you want to put in your bucket is your Elmer's glue. Then when you're done putting all your Elmer's glue, grab your tablespoon baking soda in your bucket. You pour in your bucket. Add the desired amount of coloring food. I'm gonna put light blue. Then add a tablespoon contact lens solution in the bucket. Then pour it in your bucket. Then mix until slime begins to form. So now we're going to start mixing it. I'll be right back. Well, thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe if you have not, and give it a big thumbs up. Goodbye.